Namaste. Today we are going to start with the fundamental rights. Today we will take the fundamental right, cultural and educational right of the Indian Constitution. In the previous lecture I have already discussed about the 4 fundamental rights which are provided by the Constitution of India country. First fundamental right we have discussed, right to equality. It was regarding to article number 14 to 18. Second fundamental right we have discussed, right to freedom. It is regarding to article number 19 to 22. Third fundamental right we have already discussed about the right against exploitation. It is regarding to the article number 23 and 24. Right to religion, it is regarding to the article number 25 to 28. Next, today's we are going to start with the cultural and educational right. India is a country of the diverse population. There are the cultural diversity regarding to the language, regarding to the class, caste and different religion reasons. Peoples are living together. So we can say India is unity with diversity. So there are the different cultural peoples are living in the India country. So our constitution maker were very aware about to accommodate the diversity. Accommodation of the diversity mean unity of the diversity. We have to given the special attention to the minority community because there is a cultural diversity. So different cultural peoples are living together in our country, so that we will have to give them special attention in the society so that they can develop regarding to the other community of the society. So our constitution maker, when constitution was framed, there was the special attention was given to the different social group of the society, different cultural people, different religion group, different caste group, like we can say ST, SC, OBC, minorities, religions are there. So there are the cultural and educational rights are given in the Constitution of India country to the citizens of India. Yes, it is very important that it is regarding to the article number 29 to 30. 29 and 30 article tells about the cultural and educational right to the Indian citizen. So first of all, article number 29 and 30, protection of the interest of the minorities community. It protects the rights of the minority community and it gives special educational rights to the minorities community. It means there is the reservation is provided to the educational institutions in the India country to the minority community. Seats are reserved for the minority community. Seats are fixed in the educational institution and the government school and colleges and universities in the India country. So it protects the minorities community of the India country so they can develop themselves. It is regarding to the article number 29. So it should be learned by all, protection of the interest of the minority community, article number 29. Now let's discuss about the article number 30. Article number 30 tells us that right of the minorities to establish and administer the educational institution. It means minority community can establish their educational institutions regarding to their culture, regarding to their language. It is for the right of the minorities that they can establish their educational institutions regarding to their particular language. We can take the examples of the Hindi language, Sanskrit language and Urdu language. Hindi language, regarding to the Hindi language, there are the different universities are established in the India country. Regarding to the Sanskrit universities are there, Sanskrit schools are there and madrasas are established by the Muslim people to protect their educational rights. So there are the different kinds of rights are given to the minorities community to spread their culture, to spread their language regarding to the particular community of the society. So there are the number of the rights are given to the minorities community. Regarding to this, article number 15(5) was added in 2005 in the 93 Amendment Act. 93rd Amendment Act was passed in 2005. It protects the rights of the SC ST and OBC, there was the special attention is provided by the state government to give them special privileges in the society. So it is the right of the particular state to give them particular attention to the such kind of the community in the society. It was added regarding to the cultural and educational right of the minorities. So it is article number 29 and 30. It is the rights of the minorities community, cultural rights and educational rights of the minority group of the society. So student, we will in the next topic we will discuss about the constitutional remedies regarding to the article number 32. Thank you so much.